Tonight, concerns about anti-Semitism could mean a ban on face masks for some people in the city.
CBS 2's Dick Brennan here in studio now to explain. Dick?
Well, Christina Maurice, this is not about people wearing a mask because they have a cold or want to avoid COVID when they ride the subway. It's about people who protest and the revival of a law that was around for more than 150 years, a law some civil libertarians think is a terrible idea. It's scenes like this one, protesters outside a museum on Wall Street where an exhibit honors victims of October 7th, along with the defacing of homes of Brooklyn museum officials, spray painted with red triangles, the symbol Hamas uses for targets marked for death, that has many demanding protesters show their faces.
Cowards hide their faces. There's no room for hate against any group in this city.
And now Mayor Adams insists that protesters no longer be able to wear masks at demonstrations or even if they're carrying on in the subway system.
I agree with those who are calling for removal of the ban, not only for protesters who use vile language, but also criminal behavior.
City and state officials want to revive a law that had been around since the 19th century.
That law was repealed because of the pandemic and the fact that people were wearing masks. So, sadly, we have seen a resurgence of Jew hatred in the United States and in the world.
Assembly Judiciary Chair Charles Levine tells CBS 2 there's already a bill that would make it illegal to wear a mask to conceal your identity, and the governor is on board.
We will not tolerate individuals using masks to evade responsible for criminal or threatening behavior.
But not everyone agrees. The New York Civil Liberties Union said in the statement, the governor's concerns about masks disguising criminal activity won't be quelled by banning anonymous, peaceful protest. Mask bans were originally developed to squash political protests, and like other laws that criminalize people, they will be selectively enforced. Legal experts say the law has stood up to challenges before and likely may have some updates.
Most likely, the law will distinguish between a surgical mask where someone is trying to protect their health versus a mask that's made to protect one's identity in committing a criminal act.
Now, here's one big wrinkle to bringing back that law. The legislature has already ended its session, and they would have to be called back to Albany for a special session to vote on it, and that remains to be seen. Christine.
Dick, thank you.